Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the Tutoring Club. Today we will gather information on facts about our universe. So let's begin. Did you ever wonder which is the largest thing in this whole universe? Some of you might say it is a star, but for your kind information, it is not a star. Actually, it is a wall, and its name is the Great GRB Wall or the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. Light takes about 10 billion light years to travel from it. Its length, breadth, and thickness are 10, 7.2, and 1 billion light years respectively. It was discovered by Evan Horvath. It consists of many thousand crores of galaxies. It disproves the cosmological theory of Albert Einstein, which states that not a single thing in universe is greater than 1.2 billion light years, as it is around 8 times bigger than it. The Great Wall comprises of 1 by 10th of the whole universe. Did you know which is the brightest thing in this whole universe? Some of you might say that it is a gamma ray burst which happens when a star is going to die. But the answer is no. There are some things which are even brighter than the gamma ray burst, and now we are going to study about them. Quasars. Yes, the quasars are the most brightest thing in this whole universe. A quasar is an extremely luminous active galactic nucleus in which supermassive black holes are surrounded by a gaseous accretion disk. The brightest and biggest quasar is 3C273 in the constellation of Virgo. Till now, we have gathered information about the brightest and largest thing in the universe. But did you ever wonder which is the heaviest thing in the universe? If we compare heavy with mass, the heaviest thing means the thing which have the most mass. So the answer to the question which is the heaviest thing in the whole universe is the supermassive black hole. A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that even light cannot pass through it. The biggest known black hole is NGC 1277 as seen by the Hubble Space Telescope. It is 17 billion times the mass of our Sun. Now, as you all know that the Sun is the nearest source of power for us, but did you ever wonder how much energy does Sun release in its lifetime? The Sun releases 3.846 into 10 raised to power 26 watt energy per second, and it is a G2V type star whose lifetime is 10 billion years. So if you calculate correctly, then your answer might be 1.19 into 10 raised to power 44 joules, which is the total amount of energy released by the Sun in its lifetime. Now, as we all know that a universe comes into existence from a supermassive blast in a singularity, which is known as the Big Bang Theory, and it is expanding at a very faster rate, even faster than the speed of light. According to the Big Crunch, the universe should be attracted by the gravitational pull into the singularity, but neither it is decreasing nor still. Rather than it is expanding at a faster rate. So the question comes, why universe is expanding and which force is responsible for this? The answer explained by the scientists is the dark energy. It works opposite to the gravitational force, and it is more powerful where the quantity of matter is less. But a new question also arises, if the universe is expanding, why Andromeda Galaxy is coming towards our galaxy? The answer is that dark energy is very less as compared to the gravitational pull where the quantity of matter is high. So not only the Andromeda Galaxy but the Triangulum Galaxy and 51 or more galaxies are coming towards our galaxy.
These galaxies made a local galactic group where the quantity of matter is very large. So the dark energy is very less and the gravitational force is very large. So in some billion years, these all galaxies in the local galactic group were merged and formed a gigantic galaxy. But a scientist says that human civilization will not exist at that time to see this unique gigantic galactic group. Thanks for listening. Hope you all enjoyed it. My friends, the video is ending, but I can assure you gain some curiosity to find more facts about this whole universe. Thanks for giving your precious time.